Hi everyone! In this video, I just wanted to make two quick announcements. The first one is that I'm going to be hosting my first meetup for this channel next week. It's going to be on December 6th evening, and it's going to be at this company called Dojo in downtown Toronto. You can find more details about it and sign up at csdojo.io/meet1. If you don't live in the city or if you can't make it this time, don't worry because you can still sign up for future meetups in your city at csdojo.io/meetup. Okay, the second thing I wanted to tell you guys about today is the Discord server I recently set up for this channel. And just in case you're not familiar with Discord, it's sort of like Slack, and you have basically a list of topics that you can chat about. For example, Python, JavaScript, and a lot of other topics here. And I think it's a cool way to chat about any programming related topics and sort of ask each other questions too. I also find it interesting how it seems pretty easy to make bots for Discord. For example, one of our members made this bot called Red, where you can do stuff like res gif dog to get a dog gif like that. And apparently he made this bot with Python. Anyway, feel free to join us to chat about programming or maybe just to try creating your own bot. Okay, and there's actually another thing I wanted to tell you guys about today. So the company that's hosting our meetup next week, Dojo, told me that they're actually hiring Python engineers. I'm not getting paid to say this, but honestly, it seems like a pretty cool company to work for. So if you want to get a job with Python and if you want to, potentially work in Toronto, which is a nice city, I would say, you should definitely check out their career page. Anyway, thank you as always for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.